Hello, students. Welcome back to StudyWin. As you know, in our previous class, we have completed some portion of Chapter 1, that is, Nature and Significance of Management. We have already completed Meaning of Management effectively and efficiently. And now, in today's class, we are going to do Features of Management. There are 7 features are there. We will do step by step each and every features. So the first one is goal oriented. It is a goal oriented process which is to achieve already specified and desired object by proper utilization of resources. Student, गोल्स होते हैं सबके सबकी एम होती है, सबका एक टारगेट होता है जिसके लिए हम एक प्रोसेस फॉलो करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन योर 12th बोर्ड your desired goal is 95%. Your goal is to bring 95%. So this 95% is your aim, it's your goal. For this you are working, for a whole year. And what are the available resources for you is your books, notes, you can study it from internet, okay, reference book. All these are available resources for you. Next is pervasive. Just note this, pervasive means everywhere. Management is universal in nature. It is used in all type of organization, whether it is economical, social or political. Management हमारा पॉलिटिकल, सोशल या इकोनॉमिकल एनवायरनमेंट हो, सारी जगह यूज़ होता है. अगर हम साइज से रिलेटेड बात करते हैं तब भी मैनेजमेंट सारी जगह यूज़ होता है. आइदर इट इज़ large scale organization or small scale organization. And when we talk about level, that means it will work on top level management also, lower level management also, middle level management also. So management is basically pervasive. That means it's followed everywhere. Next is multi-dimensional. It is multi-dimensional as it involves management of work, people and operation. Students, we have to manage the work in the organization. This is the basic thing we do. We also manage people, that is human resources. We have to manage human resources also. And when we talk about operation, it means it's a combination of work plus people. So we have to manage all these three things, that is work, people and operation. That's why management is known as multi-dimensional, क्योंकि वो तीनों चीज़ को मैनेज कर रहा है. हम मल्टीटास्किंग बोलते हैं. क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि वो सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ मैनेज करता है. दैट्स वाई हम इसको मल्टी डायमेंशनल बोलते हैं, क्योंकि ये तीनों चीज़ों को, वर्क को, पीपल को और ऑपरेशंस को, तीनों को मैनेज करता है. नेक्स्ट इज कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस. It is considered of a series of function and its function are being performed by all manager simultaneously. The process of management continues till an organization exists for attaining its object. Yes, student, management is continuous process because it start from planning, then organizing, commanding, controlling, coordinating. Everything goes in continuous process. Okay, that's why it's called a continuous process. It's only end after achieving the result target, after completing our aim. So it's basically a continuous process. Now, group activity. It is a group activity since it involves managing and coordinating activities of different people as a team to attain the desired object of the organization. Student, whenever we work in a team, we are following a coordination between us. Okay, we are working in a coordination so we can achieve our goal, our aims easily. Student, a single person cannot do everything by their own self. For example, your principal, okay, your school principal cannot handle everything because he is the single person. He cannot teach at a time, he cannot do cleanliness at the time, he cannot manage everything at the time. So what he do, he appointed teachers of different subject because a single teacher cannot teach every subject. Okay, he appoint teachers, he appoints servants for the cleaning activity, he appoint admin department for the school extra affairs. So all these different person work in a team with the coordination to attain the desired object. Now dynamic functions. Dynamic means it's keep on changing. Students, the environment is keep on changing. Environment हमेशा चेंज होता रहता है, उसी तरीके से हमको भी अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को चेंज करना पड़ता है, हमें अडेप्ट करना पड़ता है वो चेंजेस, और फिर हम उसको अकॉर्डिंग हम वर्क करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने यहाँ एक एग्जाम्पल लिया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नोकिया मेड मेजर चेंजेस इन इट्स फीचर्स टू सर्वाइव इन द इंडियन मार्केट. नोकिया ने क्या किया, नोकिया को लगा कि भाई मेरा मार्केट डाउन जाता जा रहा है क्योंकि मैं उतने फीचर्स मेरे पास है ही नहीं और अदर कॉम्पिटिटर से. ठीक है, तो उसने क्या किया, नोकिया ने अपने फ़ोन में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फीचर्स लाना स्टार्ट किया ताकि वो इंडियन मार्केट में सर्वाइव कर सके. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर एक कंपनी है जो कि जीन्स बनाती है, वो प्लेन और सिंपल जीन्स बनाती है, जब उसको लगता है कि हाँ लोगों को चेंजेस चाहिए जीन्स में, तो उनने क्या किया, रफ़ जीन्स बनाना स्टार्ट की. तो उनने अडेप्ट किया उस चेंज को, अडेप्ट करने के बाद उस चेंज को उनके अकॉर्डिंग वो जीन्स बनाने स्टार्ट की. सो इट्स अ डायनामिक फंक्शन. Now the last one is intangible. It is intangible force as it can't be seen, but its effects can be felt in the form of result. Student, we are working since for a whole year, but we can't see or other can't see a performance, but we can feel the end result. Like in exam, you are practicing, you are studying for a whole year, but at the end, when you get 95%, we can feel this 95% by our happiness. ओके, हमें जब खुशी होगी तो हमें पता चलेगा, हमें वो फील होएगा कि हाँ भाई हमारे 95% आए इसलिए हमें खुशी हुई है. लेकिन इसी 95% के बदले अगर हमारे 45% आते हैं तो हमें क्या होता है, दुख होता है. दैट मीन्स कि हम इसको देख नहीं सकते लेकिन हम इसको फील कर सकते हैं. ओके, सेम वे लाइक इन मैनेजमेंट एक इंटेंजिबल होता है, हमें ये दिखता नहीं है, बट एट द एंड जब हमको इसका रिजल्ट मिलता है, डिज़ायर रिजल्ट मिलता है, तब हम इसको फील कर सकते हैं, इसकी हैप्पीनेस हम फील कर सकते हैं. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास, and please share, like and subscribe our channel Study Wind.